Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today what we are going to be doing is we're going to be forging a pair of kniff tongs. See, avoiding the whole little AdSense policies there. We are going to be making a pair of tongs for a guy by the name of Martin Moldovan. He is at MS Blades. I'm just going to make him a set of tongs and send them to him there. I just wanted to help another fellow smith out, doing the thing of kind of like forging it forward, if you will. And so that's what we're doing today. So my starting stock size is, it's 1 inch or 25 mil by 1/4 inch or 6 mil by 10 inches long, 250 mil. And we're laying out our marks as follows. We're doing 2.5 inches or 63 millimeter. And then we're laying off punch marks back from that mark at 25 mil square, or 1 inch square. So that's what we're going to be doing for all of our measurements, and that's our starting stock size. So from here back, from the back of the boss, we're going to draw out the reins. I'll do that under the power hammer, which I've already done. It ends you up with a piece of material like this, so you have a handle to hold on to. And if you don't have a power hammer, it just takes longer, but you can do that just fine. So now all we're going to do is we're going to set down this area here to create the jaw, and then we'll clean up the boss after that, and then we'll go into the final part where we'll actually bend everything into the jaws of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and then if this is your first video with me, consider hitting subscribe and that little jingly bell for notifications. I make new video content every single day. So thank you all for watching. Let's get to it. Okay everybody, so here we are. We're all done here with these tongs. I really hope you all enjoyed this little video. Martin, Madolvin, buddy, I hope you really enjoy these. This is probably going to be the last giveaway kind of thing I do for a little bit. It wasn't really a giveaway, it's just me trying to help out some other smiths. I'm going to get back focused on my work, getting things done here. But anyways, I just wanted to make Martin a pair of these. Like I said, he's aspiring knife smith, knife maker. He does everything by hand. I'll try to leave a link in the description down to his channel and put it on the end cards of this video. If you have any interest in wanting to check out his channel, if you want to subscribe, that'd be a good thing for him too as well, if you like the content he's producing. And then yeah, just go check him out. So Martin, if you're watching this, I really hope you enjoy these tongs there, bud. You will have to do whatever final fitting here. I've got them set out to where they hold 1¼ inch wide by 1/4 inch thick bar stock. So I think that that's a pretty common size bar stock for knife making tongs, things like that. Anyways, hope it really helps out. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, give it that big thumbs up. If you disliked it, there's always that thumbs down. And like always, leave me what you think in the comment section down below. Greatly appreciate the feedback. And if you haven't done it yet, you may want to consider to take and hit that subscribe button with the jingly bell for notifications. I make new content every single day. Once again, God bless you all, and thank you for watching.